God has now elevated me to the rank of a prophet, and he has told me to tell the black woman she is banned for her inability to adhere to sacred morality. Judah called upon her time and time again. She did not answer. So you will call upon Judah and Judah's representative, his patron, their leader, Jesus, and he shall not answer. How dare you betray the prince for white people under the pretense that we cannot win, knowing damn well the ancestors would never approve and would rather have us all be wiped out than give our women and our children to the people they have been fighting for thousands of years. You are permanently banned from the light temple and from heaven. So saith the Lord. Agility is related to speed. How you move.
Strategy, speed, and physical contact. Strategy
is related to speed.
Speed.
And how you move.
And physical contact. Speed. Speed. Speed.
What do you mean?
Speed.
Strength or speed?
Speed.
Wrestling?
Speed.
Muscle or speed?
Speed. Speed.
What do you need, Shaka?
Speed.
I don't think they get it.
Speed.
Okay.
Strategy. Speed. And physical contact. The leopard hounds.
So whoever is the best at strategy, speed, and physical contact has the top mind, body, and soul. If they train themselves, they are beyond a transcendent hero. They're the master of masters, the king of kings, the lion of Judah. Got it? Thanks, Shaka, for explaining to these fat idiots and these mini-me's who are jealous and disgrace their ancestors. I'm talking about make things more fair. Talk about change your lens. Change my lens to an inferior mind's perspective when I'm the top martial artist? Fuck off. Swear to God on ancestors. I don't want your Greco-Roman twist no matter how much money and pussy you have. Fuck off. Way faster before 11/10/2016. Completely discredited, so my opinion is now the only one that matters. They filmed me before this fucking, These Olympic guys couldn't do this. You know that. Imagine me in my prime and them filmed in jail. That motherfucker wouldn't have a chance. I make the pod, no? Straight up, nigga. Keep hiding, pussy. Oh, bitches. Bitch ass niggas, homie. What? What? Fumed heavily dehydrated, drinking and smoking broken heart. For slowly leaves kitchen appliances. What I'm gonna do is add a filter to give to there. It was dapper shot. Timing is late. Let me slow down. It looks slower.
Whoa.
Down! 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 You see what I'm saying? Got back from Frisco, March 20th, 2017, I believe. As you can see.